Hello, Nicholas. Today I'll be reviewing your outline. So I noticed you did the MLA format correctly, which is a good start. So your outline is expository essays, writing through the lens of Beers and Probus Notice and Note. Your summary, instructional coach and secondary curriculum talks about I mean, cir- yeah, curriculums. Talks about the struggles students go through when writing an expository essay. Winton plans his curriculums around the students and plans to teach that what will best help the students learn and succeed in the classroom. Winton often would write aloud so the class could understand his thought process when writing. Students could now see the teacher's accomplishments when writing, but also the students could see the dead ends when writing. This showed that even an English teacher has problems when writing an essay, so it is just normal and you have to work through it. So I'm assuming Winton is probably the main person in this essay. He's probably like the teacher, English teacher in this case. I'd say that's a good summary. It's a lengthy summary, and I believe I understood it. Access. This source does not tell me what an expository essay is about. It tells me how students in secondary schools are struggling to figure out how to write them on standardized tests. The information that the author had provided is reliable, using quotes and citing all their work. Compared to other sources, this one would not be the best. However, there are plenty of examples and methods provided that would be helpful when writing an expository essay. Well said, Nicholas. That was pretty good. Pretty good assessment of your article you read. And last but not least, evaluate. This source did not help me understand that writing an expository essay is not easy and that you hit dead ends along the way. I can use this source because Winton provided examples from not just his own writings, but also from other authors and sources. When looking back on expository essays, I did not know much. After reading this source, I know much more than I did before, and I feel more confident. That's pretty good. Like I said before, all your outline was very well said and I understood it and you did the format correctly. So good job, Nicholas.